Imagine you are working in a large manufacturing company. Every time you need a new internal tool, like a dashboard to track shipments or a form to record supplier feedback, you have to wait for the IT department to build it. Weeks pass, and sometimes months, before the tool is ready. But what if business users, like supply chain planners or warehouse supervisors, could create these tools themselves without depending on complex coding? That's exactly what low-code and no-code platforms make possible. Now, let's talk about what these platforms actually are. A low-code platform is a software development environment that allows users to create applications with minimal hand coding. It uses visual interfaces like drag and drop, pre-built templates, and simple logic. You still have the flexibility to add custom code when needed, but most of the work happens visually. On the other hand, a no-code platform requires absolutely no programming. It's built for business users who have no technical background. Everything is done through ready-made components, from forms, workflows, reports, to dashboards. You just connect blocks, configure data, and your app is ready to use. These platforms started gaining popularity around 2010, but their roots go back to the early 2000s when businesses began exploring faster ways to automate workflows. The real momentum came after 2016, when Microsoft, Google, and Salesforce introduced enterprise-grade low-code ecosystems to help organizations build faster, cheaper, and smarter business solutions. Now let's explore some of the most popular Microsoft low-code and no-code platforms available today. Our first platform is Microsoft Power Apps. It allows users to build custom business applications without writing traditional code. You can easily connect to data from Excel, SharePoint, or Dynamics 365 and design simple mobile or web apps. For example, a warehouse manager can quickly build an app to track damaged goods or equipment usage without involving developers. Our next platform is Power Automate, previously known as Microsoft Flow. It automates repetitive tasks by creating workflows that connect multiple systems. Imagine automatically updating your Excel sheet whenever a supplier sends an email with an invoice. Power Automate can do that seamlessly. The third one is Power BI, a data visualization tool that turns raw data into meaningful insights. Supply chain teams use it to track KPIs like on-time delivery, inventory turnover, or supplier performance. Then we have Power Virtual Agents, which allow users to build intelligent chatbots without writing code. For instance, a logistics company can create a chatbot to answer driver queries about delivery routes or shipment status. And finally, Microsoft Dataverse, which acts as a central data platform to store and manage information used by these applications. Together, all these tools form what Microsoft calls the Power Platform, a complete low-code ecosystem enabling business users to build apps, automate processes, analyze data, and even create chatbots, all with minimal technical help. Now let's move to a real-world success story. A great example comes from Tata Steel Europe. The company faced a huge challenge managing thousands of operational workflows across their plants. Most of their processes, from maintenance requests to safety audits, were handled manually using spreadsheets and emails, which often led to delays and errors. In 2021, Tata Steel adopted Microsoft Power Platform to digitize their workflows. They empowered their engineers and line managers to create their own apps and automation flows without writing code. Within a year, the company developed more than 160 custom applications, replacing hundreds of manual forms. According to Microsoft's case study, Tata Steel reported savings of over 50,000 man-hours annually improved visibility in operations, and a much faster approval cycle for plant maintenance and safety activities. That's an incredible transformation, and all achieved without hiring a single new developer. So, what are the overall benefits of low-code and no-code platforms for businesses and supply chains? First, they reduce development time drastically. What used to take months can now be done in days. Second, they empower non-technical employees to solve their own problems. Third, they cut IT costs and allow organizations to innovate faster. And finally, they help integrate data and automate workflows, improving overall efficiency and agility in the supply chain. Research by Gartner shows that by 2026, over 75% of new enterprise applications will be built using low-code or no-code tools. That shows how powerful and essential this trend has become for digital transformation. So, in a nutshell, low-code and no-code platforms are changing the way businesses build and operate technology. They remove dependency on heavy coding, bridge the gap between IT and business users, and enable rapid innovation. Hopefully you like this concept because it's a perfect example of how technology is simplifying technology itself. Now imagine again our warehouse manager from the beginning, who once waited months for an IT tool. Today she can build her own app, automate her daily reports, and share it across teams, all in just a few hours. That's the real power of low-code and no-code. It's not just about software, it's about empowerment, speed, and smarter decision-making. That's an amazing learning I believe you have today.